I've got to tell you, I'm really pleased with the quality of this Veken French press. The only reason I'm replacing my French press is that the glass broke, and pulling it out of the package, I've noticed that this is a lot thicker glass, and I'm really pleased with that. Here are the innards of my last press, and again, it lasted for years, but it's got a cheap plastic lid, whereas the lid is metal, and there is silicone here, which I think will give you a better kind of like vacuum seal on that. I know that's not the right term, but also you notice this had one filter, while this one has two. So make sure you're using coarse coffee when you're making coffee in a French press, because if you're using fine, I don't even think the two filters will filter all of that out. And if you're doing this for something like herbal teas, I know I do chamomile, and there is always a bunch of dust in it, and that is just going to happen unless you put the flowers through a sieve that will take out that dust. But anyway, this is really a really good product so far.
This is fused to this. This top will not come off. There's a screw here, a nut. You can take that off. But this part is fused. It's fused to the knob. So that's certainly not right.